Sin Ciao, YouTube. Welcome to the channel. If this is your first time stopping by to hang out with us, on this channel we talk all things finance, all things investing, and we love to mix in a little travel along with that as well. I'm High Def Jones, and I am here having a nice chilled glass of red wine, and it's buy one get one free, everybody. So another one is coming behind this. But I want to get right into another Top Step Payout, you guys. This one is for $5,553 across 5 funded accounts. So you guys, we have another banger video for you guys to check out. We're gonna go into the Top Step dashboard for those who haven't seen it. For those who haven't seen the payout process and how that works, I'm gonna show you that as well. So stick around. I'm gonna go ahead and enjoy this glass of wine, and then we're gonna dive into this Top Step dashboard. Okay, you guys, so let's go ahead and dive into this payout. Here we go. You can see my dashboard here, and take a look. We have 15 winning days. So as you know, Top Step, 5 winning days of $150 or more, you can request a payout. And we scroll down here, we have a win rate percent of 74. They would like you to maintain the goal of 60%. Okay, so that's looking pretty good. We have 5 of these funded accounts. So let's dive over into our payouts page. And this is from our previous payout. All right, so we got that payout on November 15th. Today is the 21st of November. So just about a week later. And here we go for our payout. So this here, this column is our eligible amount. Okay, so you can see the 5 accounts here, our 15 days on each account. And let's go ahead and start the first one for $1,241. And we always like to do ACH. We'll click on that. We'll click on that. And I will be entering my bank account details right now. Okay, and that first account is going to be for $1,241. And we'll check off all of our boxes here. And we will submit. Okay, and all 5 of our payout requests have been submitted. And you can see that we have all 5 of the requests pending. And you know, Top Step, they pay quick. It's always 48 hours or less. Well, at least from my experience with Top Step. Okay, you can see that we have a profit split of $124 on that account, $124 on that account, $132 on this account, $124 on this account, and $124 on this account. All right, so we have to split some money with Top Step, but it's all good. All right, it's all good. Okay, so I will catch up with you guys, and I will let you know exactly when these funds hit my personal checking account. And if we scroll up, we see payout request on November 21st, 2025. And we have our 1097 here. Same thing, 1097, 1165, 1097, and 1097. So we have submitted. The funds have been removed. The funding has been approved. And now we're just waiting for these 4 blocks to be checked off. And again, Top Step, they pay quick, you guys. It always comes through in less than 48 hours. So I will fill you guys in once these payments hit my personal checking account. Okay, everyone, those Top Step payouts have officially hit my account. So let's go ahead and dive right into the dashboard. So you can see here we have the calendar. So those payouts were submitted, the payout requests were submitted on the 21st of November, and here we are on the 25th of November. Okay, and here is the dashboard. So you can see, well, at this point we have 16 winning days. Okay, so we have 16 total as of right now. And let's come on down here. We are at a 76% win rate, and they want us to maintain a goal of 60%. All right, so that's looking pretty good. Let's hop on over to our payouts page, and we'll see the process. So payout request on November 21st. That was when I submitted everything. And you can see submitted, funds removed, funding approved, risk approved, compliance approved, finance processing, and funds sent. So basically how it goes is once you get to this stage of the finance processing, what they do is they'll send out an email right before this block is highlighted. So you get an email to let you know that the funds were sent, and then you'll check your account, and then boom, the funds will be in your account. But you know how I always like to do for you guys to make sure you know that this is not a bunch of BS. Let's hop over to my personal online banking so you can see these payouts. All right, and here we go. So we have our payouts here. The first one 1097, the second one 1097, the third one 1097, the fourth one 1097, and the fifth one down here is 1165. So that brings us to our total of $5,553. All right, everyone, and that's going to be all for the video. I wanted to show you the payouts that they actually went through. Okay, so everybody out there, keep pushing. Happy trading to you all, and I will catch you on the next video.